Here is a fourth order equation. However, if you see that x squared squared is x to the 4, then you can solve this by using substitution. So you can say u is equal to x squared, then rewrite this equation as 3u squared minus 2u minus 1 equals to 0. Let's apply the quadratic formula. Negative of negative 2 plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 1 over twice of a. And this is positive 2 plus or minus square root. That's 4 plus 12. That ends up being 16. And that's 2 plus or minus 4 over 6, which means it's 2 plus 4 over 6, which is 6 over 6. And 2 minus 4 is negative 2, so it's negative 2 over 6, which means it's 1 and negative 1/3. Now, you might think that this is the answer, but not so fast. Because we are looking for the value of x, and x is not 1 and negative 1/3. It's really u equals to 1 and negative 1/3. So, the main lesson for this question is that yes, substitution makes things look easier, and you can solve it because it's easier. But it's easy to be fooled by the answer because you have to take a second look at it because you've used the substitution, and getting the value of u is not the same as getting the value of x, right? Okay, so u is x squared, so you say x squared is 1 and x squared is negative 1/3. Now, x squared equal to 1 is plus or minus 1, right? X could be 1 or negative 1, but x squared equals to negative 1/3 doesn't make sense because if you take the plus minus of square root of negative 1/3, this is negative, so this is not a real solution. Okay, and therefore this will be the only answer. In some classes, they actually want you to find the imaginary solution, but in my class, you don't have to know that.